Delivery notification. My iPhone 14 Pro Max. Oh! Excitement level 10. Let's get into this package. Let's check out this phone. It's gonna be awesome. Oh my gosh, is she beautiful? iPhone 14 Pro Max Black. Some call it matte black. Isn't she beautiful? I absolutely love it. Same buttons, same function, same lightning port. Same cable. Lightning to USB-C. Here's my new case. I love this case. Matte black, matches the phone, super durable. Here's my screen protector as well. I'll leave a link in the description. Very cool. Simplicity is key. Fired up, ready to go. Let's take a quick look, compare it to the 13. As you can see, the only difference that's visible is the cameras stick out just slightly more than the 13. Okay, enough of that. The specs. Let's see, what's different? Oh, 16 Bionic, I like that. Okay, a little faster. 48 megapixel main camera compared to a 12. That's why I got this phone. Not to mention video stability and this cool new dynamic island. Let's take a quick look. I absolutely love it. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if not already. It really helps out our channel.